From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Welcome along. It's an evening of contrast in this weather. From heat today to cooler tomorrow to thunderstorms that we have around the area for tonight. So I'll get right at it. These are the current temperatures. You see we're down to 96 degrees with some of that overcast. We're starting to get some of these westerly winds that I'll show you here in just a second. So the high today was 104. Woo! That happened between 4 to 4:15. Since then, we've been anywhere from about a 102, and then after 5:30, we saw it drop below 100 degrees. So 97 was the record for today in 1955. There's the new one. 104, and yeah, you don't get those type of temperatures the first part of September. That's a hot day. Normal right now is about 84 degrees, and most of our records are in the mid-90s. So that's one of the hottest days that we've seen in the month of September, the one you're in right now, which means that we've had 27 days of temperatures 100 degrees or above. That's what we've had, and the closest to that was 2003, where we had 20. So you lived it. This is a long, hot summer. And as you look here, Boise has winds, and if you look at the arrows, they're west, northwest, they look a little chaotic in some spots. That's because of the frontal system that's moving through. That is developing some of the thunderstorms at the present time. And if you look at this box right through here, you can see that it's not only just Malheur County that we talked about earlier, it's Owyhee, and you notice that's western sections of Ada, Olive Canyon, Gem, Payette, and Washington counties. Okay, that's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 6:45 tonight, so 6:45. So we're looking here for about the next half hour as we watch those storms start to push through the area. Where are they now? Well, you can see Boise, here's Caldwell, and then we back out of the way. Here's Boise, here are the storms, and they've been moving just to the west at this point, and they're just about ready to move just to the Vale area, northeast toward Ontario, moving to the west central mountains. But still, if you look down here a little bit lower, there's a tail on that could push some of those thunderstorms in some of those counties we just talked about. Now, Boise's not in that, but west of Ada County, which shows maybe the western side of Meridian at this particular time. If the storms stay together, we could see a little bit of action out of that. Now, some of those winds in eastern Oregon have had some gusts at 60 and 70 miles an hour. I don't anticipate that as it moves into the valley, but a severe thunderstorm warning would indicate lightning as well as some very strong gusty winds, so watch for that, especially earlier this evening. So as you look at temperatures around the area, you're looking at highs basically into the 80s tomorrow. After those storms move through, cooler air starts moving into the valley. And even if you look at McCall, the low tonight down to 50, tomorrow's high at 75, 77 in Donnelly. Temperatures like, for instance, Emmett, 88, 86 in Nampa. Yeah, aren't you used to looking at triple digits when you look at these temperatures here? They're gone. And it starts tomorrow. And how nice that is when you take a look at the 85 degrees for Boise. So let's have a look at this again. 64 for tonight, 85 for tomorrow. Very early in the morning, there could be a few isolated thunderstorms, but I think we've got a sunny day with smoke. Friday, 50 for a low with a high of 81. 87, this could be one of the hotter days getting into Sunday with a 91, and then those temperatures start to drop getting into next week. Let's look at those 10-day temperature trends, and you'll notice that even though we have the 91, 92 Sunday, you notice the temperatures in general are more seasonal now. Seasonal, normal is about 84. So you can see that could be right around 84, a bit below. And look at the cool morning on Friday. Some of these temperatures are down to some cool mornings down into the 50s. And when you take a look at the mountain forecast, some thunderstorms start next Monday. But the weekend, if you're planning it at this time for Saturday and Sunday, has temperatures right around 80 and overnight lows down around 40 degrees. So looking pretty nice, cooler for everybody. But watch those thunderstorms tonight. Some of them are doozies out there, okay? And we'll be watching those as well, and you can watch it on KTVB.com or on my Facebook page. And we'll be back with more in just a moment.